many significant digits do 10.097 have? Well, there are rules to identify how many significant digits have. So first rule, we have non-zeros are always significant. Like counting numbers, we have like non-zeros like 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity. Yeah, everything. And next we also have leading zeros. When we say leading zeros, these are like zeros that is before the non-zeros, like 0.04. These are leading zeros. This is what we call leading zeros. We have zeros between non-zeros. We say zeros between non-zeros. That's very obvious. 404. This is between two non-zeros. And we also have like trail zeros. When we say trail zeros, these are like after the non-zeros, like 440. Trail zeros. So those are the rules in order for you to know how many significant digits is an invariant. So for the questions 10.097, we're just going to count how many significant digits are there. Well, zeros are, this zero is between these non-zeros numbers, so it's significant. You have to include it. So you're just gonna count how many. You have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how easy. You're just going to count it. So the answer would be 5. 5 significant digits. So next we have number 2. Round off 0.00386 to 3 significant figures. How are you gonna do this? Place that this number 0.003086 have only like 4 significant figures. These are not significant digits because these are leading zeros. So we're just going to look at in this part. So we're going to round off this. So this is 3086. We're going to make it to like 3 significant digits. We know that our answer will be like 8330 something here. Like we don't know yet because we have to focus on this, on 2 digits, because we don't know if it's 8 or 9. Sorry. We don't know if it's 8 or 9 because we have to look at first this side. Now, in that side, for the rule for this side, if this will be 5 equal to or greater than, it will be round up. But if that is 5 less than, this would be greater than, this should be greater than, yeah. But if this is less than, it will be round down. Okay. So notice that the number is 6, so we have to round this up. So our answer would be 3. This is 6, so we have to round up. So answer would be 309. So it will be 0.00309. How many significant digits? You have like 309, 3 significant digits, and that is what is asking to us, 3 significant figures. So the answer would be letter B, 0.00309. So let's go with number 3. Okay, so let's go with number 3. Round off 34.281 to 4 significant figures. So we're going to write. Actually, if you're like pro enough, you're just gonna count it. But for tutorial purposes, we're going to write it down. 34.2814. How many significant figures are there? We have 2 plus 4. We have 6. We have 6 significant figures. 6 significant figures, but we only need 4. So if we only need 4, we have to get rid of this 2. We're not going to get rid of this 2, and we're going to get this 34.28. But we always have to look for this number, the number next to number 8. So our answer will be, we'll really be sure that our answer will be in 34.2. It's either 8 or, let's say, either 8 or 9. That will be in between of that, depending on what is the next number in this given decimal number. But notice that the number after 8 is less than 5. So we have to write only 38.28. Since it's less than 5, we have to round it just the same. Or just the same. So I'm gonna erase this. Oh, sorry. So answer will be 34.28. So answer will be letter C. So just going to check on count for the significant figures and check for what is the next number, if it's less than or greater than 5. So number 4. Which number has 3 significant figures? Well, let's check for each of the choices. Letter A, we have only 2. Notice that we have only 1 and 4, so this is not. Letter B, that's a lot of significant figures. There ain't even zeros on that, so that's not. For letter C, you have 4. You have only leading zeros, 2 leading zeros, and 4 non-zeros, so that is 4 significant. But we're looking for 3, so that's definitely D. Answer would be D. Yeah. Next, we have round off 149.69. Nearest integer. For the nearest integer, you just have to consider the decimal number. Let's say 149. Let's say this number. I'm gonna use other number, so because we're going to answer that later. Let's say 50.781. For the rules for rounding off the nearest integer, you're just going to look at this decimal number. if the decimal number will be like greater than 0.5 or equal to 0.5, it will be round up. But if it's 0.5 is less than 0.5, it will be round down. So in this case, 50.781 round off to the nearest integer. Since 0.781 is greater than 0.5, it will be 51. The answer will be 51 for that in that case. So if you look at the if you look at in the question, we have 149. I'm gonna write it 149.691. Look at on the decimal part, we have 0.691 that is greater than 0.5, and if it's greater than 0.5, we have to round it up. So if it's 149, that would be 150. So answer will be 150.